Thank you, sir. Maybe network slow. Oh, madam, no, come here. Wow. Sorry, it disturbed network.
Sir, if you don't any, okay, let us begin.
Do you know Rasgulla? Oh,
Sir,
yes.
hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have to prepare offline, copy it in Word. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Within 22 minutes, respected Toke sir will be continue with his presentation. He has already prepared himself.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Now, okay, now we start. Okay, thank you, sir. We are welcome Bengali name, Shagatom. So here is
Swagatam.
Bengali writing, Shagatam. The picture of Rasgulla, that means sweet. It is a Bangladesh traditional food, and when you travels or when you go relative home, we carry it. That's Rasgulla. Kumila is a Kumila is a icon of Rasgulla, Rasmalai. It's a Hilsa fish. It's a national fish of Bangladesh. One proverb, Mase Bate Bangali, that's Ilish, is the most fish of Bangladesh. It's a jackfruit. It is the national fruits of Bangladesh. It's a very easy to any kind of others food. It's cheapest food and useful, and it is poor food. Only poor can buy it easy, and it is very energetical. Bengali name Kathal. It's family names Morasi and genus Ectocarpus. Ectocarpus, Heterocarpus is his botanical name. Bengali name Kathal. Do you know Kathal, sir? Kathal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In our native language, it is called fanas.
We call it fanas.
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 Yes.
It's a Bengali traditional foods like banana, rasgulla, etc. It's bhorta means spices, salad, etc.
Okay.
Do you know pantabad? Pantabad is a water and rice mix.
Yes, yes, yes. We call it kheer.
Kheer. Kheer
Kheer
is sweet,
mix.
but it's not sweet.
Okay, okay.
This
We
is
mix it with milk also.
milk also. It's hilsa fish and panta. And joint is most popular food in Bangladesh. Bangladeshi fish. This also native river, pond, etc. It's also river and seafood. Dal, vegetable, meat, and spices. Kheer, another. This is name of payas. Sweet means misti. In another cake.
It's Sanskrit name.
Yes, yes, yes.
This
Kheer is also called payas in Sanskrit.
Oh
But
yeah.
sir, one thing is that our culture means Bangladeshi culture and Indian culture are mostly related to each other.
Yes,
Absolutely.
yes, of course.
Absolutely.
Okay.
This is
Because
Naru.
because before the Indian arrival,
Same country,
and whole part.
India, Bangladesh, and subcontinent, same.
What is it called? Naru.
Yes, Naru. Just same. It's called
We
koi.
called it ladu.
It's called what is? It's called Bangli koi. Koi means fry paddy.
Okay, okay, okay.
Shamai. Bengali name halua, payas, naru, pitha, moa, murki.
In India also Bengali mithai is famous. But Bengali means I think it is from West Bengal or Bangladesh.
The same. West Bengal and Bangladesh sweets are the same. No,
Yes,
no change.
yes, same.
Absolutely alike.
It's called misti, that means sweets. Payas, this payas.
Right,
Card,
sir.
card means dodi. Bengali names dodi. This Bangla writing dodi. Card. Rasgulla, it's one kind of sweet.
In Hindi call it dahi or Marathi also dahi.
Dahi. Same.
In Hindi what it called?
This.
Okay, sir.
Huh?
Dahi.
Dahi.
Dal dahi म्हणतात ना. It is called
Yes.
dahi.
Okay.
Pulao. Meat. Bengali name mangsho. Birani. Khichuri, hotspots. Bengali name khichuri. Foods. Varieties cake. That means pitha. It's Bengali. We are arrange the varieties food when the Shobe Borat, Idul Fitr, Idul Adha, Puja, and Sunday. Easter Sunday, and 25th December. It's also arrange the many fruits in my home for family. Shobe Borat, Shobe Eid ul Fitr. Eid ul Fitr mandur Eid ul Adha. Eid ul Adha means Eid day. Do you know Eid day? Muslim has a two special day, Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Adha. Puja, Bengali have 13 puja is available in Bangladesh. 12 month and 30 puja. It's a Hindu culture, and Christian is Borodin, 25th December.
Very nice, very nice.
Thank you, sir. Can you ask me any question? I try to understand. I try to solve or reply.
Yes, sir. Now you have shown us different varieties of Bangladeshi foods and sweets and very mouth-watering dishes. And also it is also truth that most of the Indian foods and Bangladeshi foods are the same. No change at all. Recipe may differ, but they are less or more the same. So we have the similar culture, food culture in Bangladesh and India. It's very nice thing. Now, for reducing hunger in Bangladesh or for achieving the objective end hunger, which is the mission statement of United Nations 2015, that is Agenda 2030. So what steps are being implemented by Bangladesh government to end hunger in the country?
Okay, and I understand your question, but I not tell the fluently. Sorry, next time I tell you in message.
सर आप हिंदी में बता सकते हैं, no problem at all.
Thora, sir, thora. Okay, now I change the host. Sir.
Yes, yes. Make host to Toke sir, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, now Toke sir host.
So shall I start now?
Shubh sir, are you recording this?
Now I stop. Everybody can now recording, no problem. Okay.
Sir, shall I start now?
Yes, sir.
What
What happened from my side? It was stopped or paused. That is why
Okay.
I was asking.
Oh.
Yes. Please record it. Huh?